thought that I'd be better off by myself. I've never been so wrong before. Made it impossible for me to ever love somebody else. But now I don't know what I left you for. See, I thought that I could replace you. He can't love me the way you do. Till now I never knew, baby, I'm spoiled by your love. Boy, no matter how I try to change my mind, what's the point? It's just a waste of time. I'm spoiled by your touch. Boy, the love you give is just too hard to fight. Don't wanna be without you in my life. I'm spoiled.